Introducing Sai Aura Panvel, developed by Priya Construction. Affordable yet premium property near Panvel railway station and bus depot, with proximity to all facilities. Pre-launch offer. 1 BHK spacious flat starts at 49.99 lakhs instead of 51.64 lakhs. A total saving of 1.65 lakhs. 2 BHK offer price starts at 68.10 lakhs instead of 70.35 lakhs. A total saving of 2.25 lakhs. Every flat is provided with vitrified flooring, French windows, kitchen with service platform, premium quality sanitary wares, copper gauge wirings and acrylic painted finished walls. Enjoy your family evenings at the rooftop of Sai Aura. Relax and unwind in gazebo. Engage your kids in a safe and fun-filled environment at our well-equipped children's play area. A long way for walking and jogging. Stay fit and enjoy breathtaking views at our open terrace gym with state-of-the-art equipment. Just within 5 minutes from D-Mart, Reliance Smart Point, Karnala Sports Complex, Orion Mall, schools, colleges, banks, hospitals, and everything you need in daily life. Adding more. Panvel railway station and ST bus depot are just 5 minutes away. Mumbai-Pune Expressway just 5 minutes, Mumbai Trans Harbour Link 15 minutes, and Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 10 minutes away. Why wait? Construction in full swing. Grab the pre-launch offer now. Spacious 1 BHK flat starts at 49.99 lakhs and 2 BHK at 68.10 lakhs. Offer is valid for the first 15 customers. Call now 9920-830-830 or click on the offer below.